Alright, hey guys, this is a channel written Minecraft stuff and more. Sorry for the talking in the background. That's in the living room. That is my family. So here we got this Hampton Bay Carriage House 2 ceiling fan in the master bedroom in my aunt's house. It's not the aunt who lives in a mansion. This house is a split level. And I have no idea when this fan was installed. Maybe in the mid to late 2000s. I want to say this fan was installed in 2008. They moved here in 2015, so yeah, I don't know. Anyways, I want to go ahead and demonstrate it, starting with a light kit. It's got only one bulb in there due to the fact that, you know, this is a three-way light kit. The sequence is 2, 2, 4, then off. Alright, now here's low. Sorry for the bed covers and the reflection. This fan was an updraft at first, but I had to switch it to downdraft because it's so freaking hot today. It is July 17th, 2019. It's summer. Downdraft is the summer setting, and the winter setting is updraft. Updraft is the winter setting, and downdraft is the summer setting. Goes too fast on low. I think I'll take it up to medium. Doesn't make some noise. Doesn't make noise on this speed and high, but it makes the most noise on high. Yeah, sorry. I am so sorry for that. Those people talking. I just had the door closed for the video. It blows a decent amount of air on medium. I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna have this fan on medium because it's so hot today. And yeah, all right. This is high. Vibration. Has a slight wobble. There's a good amount of air though. This shade is vibrating. It wobbles a little, but blows a good amount of air. Ah, yes. I can't believe it. This fan is still working. After what? A little over a decade. I'll put the fan to medium. I didn't found this fan on this speed, but I did, however, find it on low. So it hits on medium for this summer because it's so hot. Alright, thanks for watching. Yeah, I'm so sorry for that laugh. I'm so sorry for the talking. I'll put it in the description. And yeah, so there you have it. That's the Hampton Bay Carriage House 2 ceiling fan in the master bedroom of my aunt's house. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy. The channel written Minecraft stuff and more out.